That is a shoulder shot.
It's kind of like, I think I can.
This requires a systematic.
This guy's not to be messed with. Not to be messed with.
Hey guys, welcome to Texas Beard Adventures. I'm B1, your host, and today we're going to be doing a catch, clean, cook on a squirrel. We got one outside the house. I'm going to grab the gun. This one, got the Ruger 1022, load it up. Connor's gonna be the one shooting it. Let's see where the squirrel's at. I can hear him. Can hear him out there chirping. Got the shooting bag. Caldwell makes some really nice shooting bag products. Where's he at?
Scaring squirrel. Right under the tree.
Where's he at?
Squirrel's somewhere hiding in the tree, and trying to notice like the cat doesn't know that. I can't find the squirrel.
You can't find him? Is he? I heard him out there chirping.
Oh, I see his head.
You see him?
Yeah, I see him.
You want to go outside or you want to do it from the window? Oh, there he is. Okay, go ahead and let's roll the window. Yeah, push the window up.
Ready? And just see his tail.
Oh, there he is. There you go. There you go.
Drilled him. You got him?
Dude, yeah, you got him.
Drilled him. I got it. Headshot.
Headshot. We got old headshot Connor over here. Yo, what's your name? What's your name? Is it Headshot Connor?
Yeah, my name's Headshot Connor.
HSC?
Yeah.
HSC? Oh, Headshot Connor? Woohoo, right here. Boom.
First squirrel.
First squirrel down. Now we're gonna go out there and check him.
We're gonna see how it tastes.
How do you think it's gonna taste?
I think it's gonna taste like
Chicken?
chicken.
Everything that he tastes like chicken, he says. He's like, oh, this tastes like chicken. I like it. I got some of my buddy's Wood Creek butt rub. Gonna put it on the butt of this squirrel.
It's been a few days later.
It has been a few days. Our squirrel's been sitting in the refrigerator. We're gonna put him in the pressure cooker. Got some water in there. Grab a handful of carrots and throw them in there. There you go. That looks good. Let's go one more handful. All right. Let's see how much. Yeah, that looks good. Throw those in there. Oh yeah. Yeah, I like that. All right. Now, so we got our green beans. We got our carrots. Let's go ahead and throw some butt rub in there. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. All right. All right. So you gotta lock that in there. turn that to seal. And then we're gonna do meat stew. And I think that's, there we go. Pressure cooker's done cooking. Okay. Get all the juice. Shake it off right there. Well, smells pretty good, eh? Let's get a plate.
Oh, that smells good. Come on, Zoe.
Go ahead. Get a carrot.
Oh, that's hot. And say that chicken.
Tastes like chicken?
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Squirrel is better than I thought it was.
Yeah?
Look at that.
It's good. It's not gamey. Tastes like just some good old meat. You want to try some, Lamb? Try one of these veggies. Ooh.
Kind of hot. Did that cook carrot?
That's cooked carrot. You want to cook carrot?
It's so hot.
Squirrel is good. Can't believe I've gone my whole life without trying it, to be honest. Let me know down in the comment section some other ideas of some animals that we should try, right?
Let's try turkey next.
Turkey?
Yeah,
Well, it's not turkey season, unfortunately.
we can try duck. I don't.
Oh,
What?
dove will be next. But you know what we should try? Because last year I shot one and I should have done catch, clean, cook on it. Pigeon. I shot a pigeon. It was flying over. I thought it was a dove, and
Shot it.
I shot it, and
Chuck
we-
shot one.
Chuck shot one. I ate it, and you couldn't tell the difference. But that might be next. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up button. Check me out on Instagram at Texas Beard Adventures. Me and the wife and kitties do all kinds of crazy stuff over there.
Yep, and we also are going to hunt some stuff. I'm going to kill a giant buck.
That's a possibility this season. Oh, show. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the flip side. You dang hillbillies. Now, try to run. You dang Land Rover.
How many vices do you have?
Half a dozen, probably.
Good shit.
Oh,
Way to go, Fred.
Fourth beer.
Patrick.
ain't sitting too good.
Wow! Chicken! My chicken got loose. Hey, have you seen my chicken? 10% really got me going.
Is that DNR? Alright, cook those two.
What does that mean?
Salt, pepper, garlic.
Nobody knows what it means, but it's provocative and it gets the people going. Ow!